Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to uninstall programs in Windows 10. Uninstalling unwanted programs is one of the most common and important tasks that all laptop and desktop users perform. However, if you're new to Windows 10, you may not know how to remove every app. So here's a guide to help you. Let's dive in. First, open the Start menu. Click Settings. Click Apps on the Settings menu. Select Apps and Features from the left pane. A list of all installed apps appears in the right pane. You can also sort these apps by name, size, or install date. So select an app you wish to uninstall. Click the Uninstall button that appears. If it is grayed out, this is a system app you cannot remove. Click the Uninstall pop-up button to confirm. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.